Okay, so we're going to take what we have found and see if that has helped us find the function of the curve. So first we're going to define what the height is. So we're going to do, and remember height is also equal to the area. So we're going to do h equals probably the y value of c, okay? So now we see up here h is equal to 4.46, or h is equal to the y value of c, and it changes with c, and so yes. I always get bugged when it doesn't look like the function, so there we go. Okay, so now we're going to define what the perimeter equals. So I'm just going to call it perim. Perim equals, and since segment C is the base, I'm just going to call it C instead of trying to rename it base. Like, let's just keep it easy here. So we're going to do C plus the square root of C squared plus 4 times H squared. Okay? So we have perimeter defined now, and perimeter is the x value of point P, okay? And it moves with it, so that's good. Okay, so now we're gonna, that equation we found where we got it where h equals, and we have the perimeter in there, the one that we just we got in the last video, the h equals the square root of perimeter squared minus 2 base times perimeter, oh my gosh, all over 4, and the 4 is also under the radical. That all equals h, which all equals the area. So that's how perimeter and area are related to each other. I cannot stress that enough. So we're going to do, we also want to include the domain when we do it. So I'm going to do f of perim. Okay? So that's the function. Okay. Equals, and so I'm going to type in function. And we want to select this one, this function, because you can put the domain in there too with the start x value and end x value. So we don't end up getting two curves. So now I'm going to type in the function. So bear with me. Okay, so it's going to be square root, okay, of perim squared minus 2 times the perim times, and I'm not going to put segment C in this equation because in this example, in this scenario, A and B are fixed. So the base is always going to be 2 in this situation, okay? So I'm just going to put times 2 instead of times segment C, okay? And this is going to be all over 4. And I need to include that in parentheses, which means I need to come back here, oh gosh, and add a parentheses, okay? And my start x value, I'm just going to have it go from 0 to infinity. So I'm going to go over here and push this little infinity button, okay? And when I push this, I hope that it's going to make a curve, okay? And would you look at that? It's right here. It fits perfectly, okay? So I'm going to try to get closer just to see if there's any, So I'm going to come over here. But it looks, you know, pretty close. And it's on there. And it looks amazing. And so that equation that we found in the last video is the equation for the function. Okay? And that seems to be about it. We did it. Nice job. That's all, folks.